Installing outdoor CCTV is usually a headache. Traditional competitor solutions are a thing of the past. On the software side, you're flying blind. No cloud management, no real-time alarms, no logs, and no real monitoring system. And on the hardware side, you end up spending extra on protection boxes and industrial switches, easily reaching around 300 pounds at each installation point. But that is over. We introduced the new Ruijie ES200 series, the ultimate solution for outdoor CCTV. Everything you need is in one place: total cloud management, constant monitoring, and real-time alerts straight to your device. The best part, it is an all-in-one solution. It's so rugged that you don't need to install any external protective boxes, greatly reduce your installation costs. Let's take a look at just how simple it is. As you can see, the switch has booted up normally and is receiving a direct stable power supply via the 8PoE switch port. Now we simply connect a wireless access point directly to the switch, and that's it. Lower costs, greater control, and superior protection. Upgrade to the all-new Ruijie ES200 series today and take your outdoor CCTV deployments to the next level.